Liquid concentrates are designed to dissolve in water for spray applications, while granular concentrates are meant to be applied as solids or dissolved differently for specific spreader use. Liquid concentrates are formulated so the active ingredient is suspended or dissolved in a carrier that mixes uniformly with water, which makes them suitable for foliar sprays, drench treatments, and backflow systems. Always read the label for the exact mixing ratio and use a calibrated measuring device to pour the correct volume. Rinse liquid bottles 3 times with clean water and add the rinsate to your spray tank to minimize waste and exposure and to comply with safe handling practices. Granular concentrates are either ready to apply dry or designed to be dissolved in a provided application bag, so the granules break down into a slurry. When a bag is provided, follow the directions for dissolving and agitating until the product is fully suspended before applying. For both types, use appropriate personal protective equipment like chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection. Measure water hardness and pH if the label advises, and add surfactants only when permitted on the label to improve coverage. When preparing mixes, always add active products to water rather than water to product to reduce splashing and ensure better dispersion. After application, clean equipment thoroughly with water and a mild detergent, and dispose of rinse water according to local regulations. Common mistakes include using the wrong mixing sequence, which can cause separation or reduced efficacy. Avoid this by adding pesticides to water and agitating thoroughly. Another frequent issue is failing to completely dissolve or disperse granular products when the label requires dissolution, which leads to uneven application. Prevent this by following the bag dissolution steps and inspecting the mixture for uniformity before use. A third problem is inadequate rinsing of containers and equipment, leading to residual contamination and inaccurate future mixes. Solve this by rinsing liquid containers 3 times and adding the rinsate to the tank, and by flushing hoses and spray booms immediately after use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like pesticide applications by helping people find local professionals and review real experiences. And our site includes a discussion community where members share tips and ask questions. We help contractors find work by listing projects and giving them a place to respond, and we facilitate conversations so both homeowners and providers can learn from each other.